Hey everybody, come on in. Good Saturday morning. I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to do just a real short and sweet little breakfast thing here. I'm going to do some Chiquita banana nut bread. I got the mix already in the box, but you know I'm going to add my little touch to it. So what we're going to do here is just we're going to follow the directions and excuse me, follow directions. Put everything that the directions say put into it, and I'm going to add my little 2 cents worth to it. And I'm going to be doing some turkey bacon. This is Godshall's uncured turkey bacon. Very good turkey bacon. Bought that at Sam's Club. It's a 2.5 pound package, I think. Yeah, about 2.5 pounds for $9, so that's not bad at all. So this is what we're cooking today: banana nut bread and turkey bacon. And I got the tea kettle on, as you can see back there. I'm gonna have some hot tea instead of coffee. I don't know, Tansy's still here with me. Remember I told you she's getting work done to her house. So we're going to go ahead and do what the instructions tell us to do. Oh, the mix smells good. And that asks for, okay, that's the mix. Looks good. Now I gotta taste it. Now, this is Tansy asking me, Mom, please put a little bit of more sugar in. So, because I know my kids like, and you know what? I guess the Lord just built it into me over the years about sweets. I don't do a lot of sweets baking, because honey, my poor kids will probably be ain't no telling where by now, because they like their stuff really sweet. So since she asked me, Mom, please, I'm going to add that extra tablespoon of sugar. That's a real tablespoon. That's all I'm putting, Tansy. 1 extra tablespoon of sugar in there. Like I said, my kids like their stuff really sweet and tasty. We're all about the flavor and didn't even really know what was going on. We didn't know all this flavor business was going to lead up to the flavor train. And I'm just going to put like a teaspoon of vanilla flavor in there. That's going to pump it up another knot. And also, on the back of the box, on the front of the box, you can see it says, can you read that? It says, just add 2 bananas, water, and an egg. Okay. So, because I like the extra flavor, I'm going to put the milk in where it asks for water. Because you know, milk will give it that extra creamier flavor to it. And I don't know, I'm not sure how much milk. Let's see. It says, okay. I've never heard of this brand, but I went and looked it up on YouTube, and it's a pretty reputable. 1/3 cup of water. Okay, so instead of 1/3 cup of water, I'm gonna go ahead and put 1/3 cup of milk to the mix. Okay, let me go ahead and pour up my milk. Okay, that's my 1/3 cup of milk. I'm telling you, I do all this stuff to add extra flavor. So, you know, it's not the run-of-the-mill kind of dish when you start eating. Okay, I'm reading and talking at the same time. Aren't I smart this Saturday morning? I am multitasking, y'all. Okay, now it asks for 1 large egg, slightly beaten. Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna follow through with the 1 egg, because you know why? Eggs make things lighter, fluffier, and sometimes spongier. I don't like spongy banana nut bread. I like it nice and moist, so it sort of acts like it's gonna stick to the roof of your mouth. So we're just gonna slightly beat 1 egg and put it in there. There's that 1 egg slightly beaten. Okay, it's in. I like to use a little fork to mix with. And then I'll use my spatula to get it all going. So, Okay, we got everything in now except for the bananas. And it called for 2 overripe bananas. Okay, now because I freeze bananas all the time, I had plenty of them in the fridge. So, it asks for, let's see, not 1, but 1 cup. So that would be the equivalent, according to this direction, the equivalent of 2 bananas. So all we have to do here, so I got my 2 bananas there, and you can see they're nice and squishy because I just took them out of the freezer, popped them into the microwave, and thawed them out. So there's the bananas. Kind of look a little bit weird, but nonetheless they're bananas. I use these bananas for my shakes. So sometimes when I buy bananas, because I don't eat bananas a lot, I go ahead and when I have 2 or 3 left, I just throw them in the freezer. And you know, you can make banana popsicles out of these. If the bananas are nice and sweet, they taste really, really good. Unbelievably good. If you got little ones running around, I'm over here with you here now. I'm going to go ahead and, so I don't forget to do it at the last minute, I'm going to go ahead and put the little bit of oil into my pan, my baking pan. I'm gonna try to bake it in this loaf pan. I think that's gonna be big enough. It's like a half size of the ones because I like it, you know, a nice thick, good slice of banana nut bread. And we're gonna be baking this bread today in a 350 degree oven for approximately, let's see, I would bake mine, say 20 minutes. Let's see what the box says. I'm trying my best to follow the rules on this banana nut bread. Let's see, 350. Yeah, that's right. I guess that's right. So 350. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat. I don't want my kitchen to get too hot too quick because it gets warm when I'm in here cooking. So, oh wow, yeah, okay. It's gonna have to cook for approximately 45 to 50 minutes, and my oven gets pretty heated up, so I probably will not have to leave it in that long. However, I'm gonna get the little brown spots off the bananas right quick. I don't play games with this kind of stuff. You know, a lot of times when we're doing things in life, we try to pretend they don't happen, but brown spots do get on bananas, and we're gonna still use them because the brown spots are just the brown spots. I'm guessing these bananas are nice and sweet. I'm just going to taste them just to see. Real good and sweet. So I'm good with these. I'm just going to just smash them right here on the plate. Go ahead and smash it. Very, very good. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put them right on in there. Okay. For whatever reason, I just didn't want to put all of it in. I didn't even put all. I left about a good tablespoon. Okay. So since I didn't put all the bananas in, I need that extra moistness in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more milk in. Okay. Oh, but wait a minute. Before I do that, y'all see I got my cream cheese over here to the side. I am going to add to this mixture a good let's see, let me do, I'm not going to do a lot because I don't want nobody to be able to know what that secret weapon is. I'm going to add me a tablespoon of cream cheese because we also, when we get this baked up, I like to spread some cream cheese on my banana nut bread. So we're going to see if that cream cheese will give us, yeah, it may give us that extra added little bit of moisture. And then, you know, and it'll blend out that extra teaspoon of sugar. Y'all like my bracelets? I bought these from a young lady yesterday when I was downtown having lunch with my girl Elsie, one of my oldest friends here in Goldsboro. I met her when I first came here to work. She was the manager of one of the stores at the exchange out there on the base. She was at the Class 6 and Shopette, and she and I just became fast friends. I mean, we've been friends ever since I first got there. This is gonna be some good old banana nut bread. Yes, indeed. Okay, So, I'm thinking I see some little, I think they even had little nuts in the package there. So anyway, for all practical purposes, this banana nut bread is ready to go into the oven. So now I'm going to take it, and I think it's just enough for this loaf pan. So I got my oven heating up. Let's go ahead and start pouring. Just going to pour it in. Make sure everything's all, yeah, perfect. Okay, so thanks, Tansy. I think you did good, girl. Like I said, I had never heard of this brand. Y'all know how I am about this kind of stuff. So we want every drop. That's a bite right there. So that banana nut bread is in the pan. The oven is not quite heated up yet. But see, there's plenty of room for it to rise. So we're just going to set that right there and let it get ready to go into the oven. And in about 45 minutes, I'm going to be taking it out. We're going to slice it up, throw some bacon on that plate. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, I got that nice turkey bacon in the skillet sizzling. I added just a little bit of olive oil to my pan, because you know turkey products don't have a lot of fat content. So you have to put either some kind of oil in the pan. So I chose this morning to put some olive oil to give it that little extra for flavor. So this is going to have to cook about 10 minutes, and we're going to have turkey bacon. And of course, you know the banana nut loaf is going to take a little bit longer, because I didn't realize it takes almost an hour to cook. But nonetheless, we're going to cook it according to the recipe, except for my added little things. So I'll be right back. Okay, the banana nut bread is out of the oven, beautifully brown, still hot, and hopefully it'll flip. Yeah, there it goes. It flipped right out. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the platter here. Okay. And I'll tell you, we're doing the bacon. So I'm going to go ahead and arrange the bacon. Arrange it. You know me, I like for it to look right pretty. I'm just going to surround the bread by the bacon.
I played golf with his father 2 weeks ago, Joe Sternbach.
Some intensity and Kareem. Maybe Noriko will eat a piece. I don't know. He's had his oatmeal. He doesn't eat a whole lot of other stuff, but he's had his oatmeal, so.
I have made a decision.
There we are. Oh,
I'm taking
well, I fried up a lot of bacon, didn't I? So, the other thing that we're going to use, too, of course, we're going to be able to put some, let's say that cream cheese. Because I like the strawberry flavor. We're going to do some cream cheese. So, put it all on one dish. Okay, there it is, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I got strawberry cream cheese. And I've also got the plain cream cheese. So we'll, you know, whatever one anybody wants, that's what we're going to use. Let's get that camera up here a little bit better. Okay, there it is. Banana nut bread and turkey bacon is what we're doing this Saturday morning. We just ready to eat it. Eat it, y'all.
It was pure bliss. It was heaven.
Got some plates here. All we need is a fork and a knife to cut it, because I'm going to go ahead and cut me a piece, because you know what? I like hot banana nut bread. Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, and you know what? I didn't let it stay in there all the time either. I'm going to go ahead and just put me a slice right there, because I like mine hot. And I'm going to grab me a couple of strips of bacon back here.
Tell your parents about this when you visit his house.
There it is. And I'm just getting me a knife. I'll get another knife for the bread. But Tansy, the bread's ready. Cancel. Okay, so that banana nut bread, y'all, is ready. Swirl it around there. It's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, that's it, y'all. Put my sugar over here. For that's it. And I'm going to, of course, I've got my nice cup of hot tea rather than coffee. Tans will probably want coffee. But anyway, that was just one of those little quick meals that you can cook for Saturday morning. Some banana nut bread and a nice couple of slices of bacon, y'all. You just can't beat the bacon. Bacon's good with anything. You go ahead and put me a fork on there. So I'm ready to sit down and get me some cold water so that I can go ahead and eat mine. Okay, so until I cook again, I'm just going to say to y'all, love you guys on this beautiful, wonderful Saturday morning. Go out and go shopping after you get you something to eat, or sit back, relax, and enjoy. Kick your feet up. Do whatever, say, chef's choice today. Do whatever you feel like doing. I may or may not fix some more food today. I don't know. It just depends on what these kids around here want to do. I've got leftovers, and if I got lots of leftovers, of course, y'all know me, I'm not going to cook anymore. I'll just do leftovers. So, until we cook again, I'm going to say keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Cook you something good to eat. Go out and buy you a box or something and do it just like what I just did. You don't always have to make it from scratch, but of course, if you do, it's real simple. A couple of cups of flour, some sugar, eggs, and butter, and throw some fruit in there, and you got it going on. Anywho, I'm going to let y'all know what this tastes like. I think while we're on screen, I've never done this. Y'all still not going to see me eat. I'm just going to go, y'all know I'm anxious to taste it. And of course, I got me some melted butter off to the side. Good. Yum, yum. Go ahead and.
What did I say?
I got melted butter. Melt you up some butter. Get you a little brush. Brush it with melted butter. Or you can go ahead and put you some cream cheese on there. Let's see.
Did I say yes?
I like mine with cream cheese. Yum.
Why would you do that?
Hey, cream cheese is the way to go. Strawberry at that. If you don't want the strawberry,
Really? You think so?
Too good.
What did you say?
Wow, that's good. I'm already thinking I got to have another. Whoops, sorry about that. I got to have me one more piece of that bread, because I know when I finish eating that, I'm going to want another slice. So, again, excuse my chew. This is real good, because you get that nice, sweet, buttery banana flavor, and I like mine warm. And then that crispy, good flavored turkey bacon, that salty taste, that sweet and salty is wonderful. So guys, let me swallow. Okay, until I cook again, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will surely continue to come down. Love on somebody today. Cook somebody a good meal. Or you know what? Crash somebody's house and go invite yourself. If you got good friends, you can always do that. Hey, people crash me all the time. I don't mind. So, until I cook again, love you guys. Toodaloo. See you on the flavor train tomorrow.